Hi everyone, welcome back to Roshnara's World. So guys, today's video we will be discussing about the complete Accenture exam pattern for year 2024. So we will discuss about the syllabus, the subsection wise topics and the what is the importance and what are the difficulty level, number of questions, time duration, and the negative marking and elimination round. So let's discuss. So this is a very basic structure. So the exam patterns will be conducted into different rounds. One is technical and cognitive assessment round, which is elimination round and no negative marking are there. Second would be the coding round, again here elimination round and no negative marking. And so third is communication assessment, which is a non-elimination round, but yes, no negative marking, right? So all in all, you can see these two rounds are the elimination and last one is non-elimination. Once you clear these three rounds, you will be moved to the final interview round, and once you clear that interview, you will be good to go for the onboarding. So let's discuss complete syllabus and topics for all these. Now for cognitive assessments, like I said, there are three different topics. These are the number of questions would be asked. So all in all, for the cognitive and technical assessment, these are the 90 minutes. So you will have 90 questions in 90 minutes, right? So these are the bifurcation of all the questions. I hope this is clear. 90 questions in 90 minutes for cognitive technical along with cognitive and technical round. Coding round would be 2 questions in 45 minutes, and programming fundamentals would be asked, and you can choose any of the languages you're comfortable, which is C, C++, .NET, Java, and Python, right? Communication assessment we'll discuss, and then interview. So for cognitive assessment, you can see here that English ability, again, like I said, 90 questions, 90 minutes with 17 questions in this sections, wherein the importance of these topics are high, which is synonyms, antonyms, then error detection, sentence correction, reading comprehension, and rest are medium to low, which is sentence completion and the sentence improvement. So this is what the complete overall pattern for English ability is. Next is your critical reasoning and problem solving, which is 18 questions. Now here also the data arrangements and flowcharts are quite critical, and yes, prepare well. Then data sufficiency, arguments and assumption, syllogisms, and your statement conclusions, right? So these are approximate number of questions would be asked. Next is your abstract reasoning, which is number and letter series. Then you have odd man out, then analogies, then your coding and decoding, reasoning, then visual reasoning, you will have pictures, and then reasoning would happen. So this is for the abstract reasoning. Next, coming to the technical assessment wala part, which is common applications in MS Office. Again, this is medium to low difficulty level would be there, and very basic questions out of MS Office, Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, then browsers, fundamentals, then you have shortcuts, command prompts, and working flow of keys can be asked for these type of topics. Next, so here you will have 12 questions all in all. Next is your pseudocode. In pseudocode, you'll have approximately 18 questions, and these would be the topics, which is programming fundamentals, looping, arrays, functions, bitwise operators, incremental and decrement operators, and rest. Basics of data structure is very important. Here also importance is high, difficulty can also be high. So these are on an average, which I have mentioned as per my understanding. Next is basics of networking, which is networking, security, and cloud. Under this section, 10 questions can be asked. These are the topics. You can go through this which is like basics of networking, security, encryptions, right? Then firewalls, attacks, everything you can cover it up here. Next is your coding assessment. Here 2 questions will be asked. Now again, reiterating that this is an elimination round, so be prepared well, and difficulty level can be medium to high, and programming, basics of programming, input output concepts, then your array, function, strings can be asked, and flow controls, and these are the languages you can opt in. Last is your non-elimination round, which is your communication round, right? So this is for 20 minutes, and this is separately you will be getting this round. So here, very important, here in this section basically you will be judged for your speaking skills and your reading skills, your confidence level, basically how you are speaking, how you're pronouncing words, right? So reading 8 questions, listening and repeating. So there will be sentence that will be played, and you have to repeat that sentence carefully. Then based on the jumbled sentences will be played, and you have to correct that sentence and repeat them. Storytelling will be there, the entire story will be played, and you have to again repeat that story. So it is very important that you have to be very careful listener, active listener, and calmly you have to attempt this particular assessment, and speaking skills, of course. So these are the rounds. So I hope you have understood completely, and very important that you prepare well. Lot of videos are there on my channel for communication round, interviews, lot of interviews are there. You will be getting very insightful learnings. So I hope you understood well. So thank you for watching, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more learnings. Thank you. Have a great day.